Hello guys, welcome to Chat Jamaican. I am your lady Tania, a true Jamaican here from Jamaica, visiting the island Barbados. I am here on the Green Acres farm in Barbados, and you know what they say, health is wealth. I am with Matthew.
Right now you're in Graham Hall, Christ Church.
So guys, we're with Matthew and we're in Graham Hall, Christchurch. Matthew is going to show us his method, his way of farming, and he's focusing on the soil. So guys, this is a very interesting video that I do not want you to miss. Remember to hit that subscription button, subscribe to the channel, and never miss another video. Soft, nice, and then no fertilizer. People from all over the world.
Familiar with this material?
Oh, the material, yes.
Familiar with that? This is merely to, we call it the block, the barrier, and mostly to stop the grass from coming through. Weeding that you have to do on the farm.
So you do less weeding.
Let me get you hose then.
So this is how you water the lettuce.
Give them a good drench and make sure that they're getting that sun, right?
Yeah.
That's very important.
What are some challenges that you go through though?
The only challenges really got with lettuce really is when the climate change. When you're going into summer, you can't really plant lettuce because it don't grow really.
Okay.
It's too hot, right?
The sun is too hot for it.
Too hot.
Okay.
So sometimes they will go do like put some shade net. And that might help save them a little bit just to take off some of the sun.
Yes.
And then we get a few, but they don't really grow good around that time. But otherwise, that is just grow.
Okay.
When they start to rotate the lettuce, it be so fast. You don't get time to really hatch them up.
Yes,
so
yes. Oh, so this is how they're watered. Yeah, I can see the water soaking through.
Yeah, man. Yeah, this is a lot more vibrant when they get sprinkled.
Yeah. So you water them on a daily basis?
Yeah, every day you get them.
Yeah, so they will be rich, they will grow.
The block also does help contain moisture as well too, so sometimes you don't even have to wet every day. You know, you can still have the moisture in soil.
Yes, okay. So they will definitely grow within the time period because they're getting the water required.
Yeah, exactly, even faster.
So guys, the sprinklers, and then that's how the water seeps through the
V-block.
The barrier.
Yeah, V-barrier.
The barrier.
Next 2 weeks now, or 3 weeks or so, we got here full of watermelon.
Oh, how long watermelon takes to grow?
Watermelon is like 2 months from seedling.
Okay. What is this?
That's basil.
Oh, it's a herb.
Yeah.
So this is a basil plant.
Basil plant. Yeah, sure. I've got the money for my phone calling you. Using sheep manure? No.
You want it?
Yeah. I can bring our next one for you there now.
Let me say no, give me numbers now.
Yeah.
So you're going to do some work now with the wheelbarrow?
Yeah, but what you can do, you can mix the mixture that is used to put in soil.
Oh.
Also get a little extra boost.
What about crime? People steal the crops also? Or no?
Yeah, we get a little bit of that down here.
Just a small amount.
Yeah, small amount. Not bad like some people in Barbados. Or different parts of the island. It dry to different parts of the island.
Okay. Oh.
That's a bag of sheep manure. Yeah, that refined. And then some compost.
Ah, the compost. So you mix the two soil?
Yeah, this one is soil, this one is sheep manure.
Oh, the sheep manure?
Yeah, this one is fertilizer.
Compost would be like a mixture of roots, tree roots, all of those things?
Yeah. And that's give you soil now a little more richness now, right? I'll encourage a lot more worms.
Yes.
Right?
Oh, so the worm would go to that soil?
Yeah, the worms just help put more nutrients in the soil as well too.
Yes.
So what you add to this here now is something called magnesium sulfate. It's got, what is that, some salt.
Okay.
Put a little bit of that. Some NPK. Nitrogen, phosphorus and potassium.
So you're basically mixing the, what is the purpose of mixing the soil?
This here now, when you put this in the soil, after a while, this can break down. After a while, this can break down.
Yes.
Right, so when you plant the seedling now, along with the sheep manure, compost, that can help
Yes.
fertilize it for a while as a seedling, as a young plant. Right?
So it's like feeding a baby?
And be feeding it. Right?
Yes.
So afterwards, I will have to give them strong fertilizer, not to the next 2 weeks or so.
Okay.
Like stay in the soil like that for a little while. And it's more healthier for them. It'll be more kind of like organic, kind of.
Okay.
Kind of.
Yes.
Because they're using synthetic fertilizer as well too.
Yes.
Right? So mix some of that. Let me mix this. And then we put that in the holes before we plant.
So this one is about the babies, mixing the soil for the babies.
Fertilizers. Most people don't really do this, you know. Most people don't really do this. People just plant, just use fertilizer when it's really
Or just plant it into the ground.
Yeah. And just feed it with this fertilizer. Yeah, so you can head up front.
The soil is so soft.
Yeah, it's soft.
So you're going to put it into the...
Yeah. So you plant in each hole. So every hole now will fertilize. And just again work it in the soil.
Oh, so you push it into the dirt, into the soil.
Yeah. So when they come and plant now, when they put in the seedling now, everything's soft and nice. Just
Yes.
put it in the hole, right?
Okay.
So we're going to do Do that right down the back.
You're gonna go all the way down.
Yeah, right down.
So you're feeding the soil actually.
Feeding the soil.
Giving the soil strength and power.
Yeah, that will keep it more healthier, more longer.
Yes.
Using more synthetics can deplete it faster. So the more you keep it healthy, the more you keep the soil
Yes. Look at the hole, guys.
soft.
Soft, nice, and then no fertilize. So when the seedling goes in, it's perfect for growth. And then you have the water to maintain at all times. So that's why they strive.
Right. It's the hot climate that we live in. Yeah.
Yes. And the sun is very hot.
Very.
Way down.
Yeah, right down. This one fertilized yesterday. What? Nah, good. So these here fertilized yesterday, a day ago. So these here ready,
Yeah.
soft and nice.
Oh, so after you put in the fertilizer, you wait until
They break down a little bit.
and you water it.
Yeah, keep some water on them, keep them soft.
Oh, so today now it is ready for planting.
Ready to plant, you know.
Yeah. So guys, this is it's a seedling.
Yeah.
Look at it. And it's a red lettuce.
Yeah, two split them apart.
Oh, you're not putting one here?
Just lay them out like that. Come on, no, plant them in. Soil got nice.
Ooh, soil is rich. So you see how it is planted, guys? Very rich. And then we have a female farmer here helping us out.
My name is Yvonne.
Yes, so we have Miss Yvonne here, and she's also showing how it can be planted into the ground. And I'm just going to ask her a few questions. So what has caused you to love and appreciate farming?
I love and appreciate farming because it helps to substitute for your income.
Yes. So you were the one that introduced your son Matthew to farming?
I would say so, yes. My son and my other son, I have two sons.
Yes.
Both of them are here doing farming as well.
Yes. Shows the skills that you have passed on to your son here in Barbados. Wonderful.
Soft and nice, right?
Yes. Okay, so guys, that is how the red lettuce and the green one has been planted in order to get the results. This is what, 2 weeks?
Yeah, about 2 weeks.
Yeah, so this is not even 1 day old, like 5 minutes old, and they're going to mature and then mature into the other areas that we have seen earlier. All right, would you encourage females to engage into farming and to be a part of this, you know, wonderful thing that you have going here?
Yes, I would encourage females to do it as well. It's nothing hard. But first of all, the country, it would help to cut down on the import bill, right? And it also help, we sell at a reasonable price. And we also do organic.
Oh,
so the food from our ground is healthy.
Yes.
Right? And as a result, persons would be in better health.
Yes.
By using our stuff.
My farm is called Green Acres Farm.
Green Acres Farm.
Green Acres Farm. You can find me on Instagram and also find me on Facebook as well.
Yes. So remind me of the address. So it's Green Acres Farm in Christchurch, Barbados.
Yes.
So it's not Jamaica, guys. It's
Jamaica.
Barbados.
Barbados.
All right. So Matthew has shown us the red cabbage planting process, fertilizing, and everything.
Yeah, shout out to the BADNC and Ministry of Agriculture, because we really acquired this land through them.
Feed program.
Feed program.
Yes.
Yeah, so I gotta give a shout out to them for sure.
All right. Thank you so much for having me, and it's wonderful meeting Mommy and to know that Mommy is hard work. But I'm definitely coming back to get some more work on Mommy, because Mommy don't just plant lettuce. Mommy do a lot more, so we'll definitely be back for her. We're so proud of Matthew here in Barbados, and guys, he's doing a wonderful job, and we just need to encourage him and hope that he continue to do this, because it doesn't get less but it gets more. So hard work and dedication will yield greater results in the future. All right guys, in the meantime, thank you for watching Chat Jamaican. Little more. Bye.
Chat Jamaican with Tania. Chat Jamaican with Tania. Chat Jamaican with Tania. Chat Jamaican with Tania. When me walk through the valley of